My name's Victoria and I help creative, multi-passionate female entrepreneurs improve their mental well-being while increasing their income through adding additional passive income streams or diversifying what they're already doing. I want to share today 5 pandemic secure income streams that you can add into your life to secure your income and to ride this wave that we're all in during this weird year of 2020. So we can view it as this big disaster and we can watch ourselves go down the spiral. Or we can look out for opportunities which are everywhere and start to ride the wave. And when we come out of this, we are either going to be super strong and in the best position possible, or we will have sunk to all-time lows and will struggle to get our footing when this is all over. Okay, so I want to share 5 ideas with you that will thrive in any economy and will not matter if you're locked down or not. So it's all things that you can do from home regardless, okay? And pretty much everybody can give this a go, okay? So as a thank you for watching this video, please stay to the end. I have a little giveaway. And please, can you like this video to help me with YouTube's algorithm, and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss another video. Okay, so number 1, freelance work. Now, we all have skills that we can do that other people can't, and there are people around the world that need what you can do like that. Okay, so whether it's creating a presentation, whether it's updating a website, whether it's designing a little graphic, a voiceover, like everything is there online for people to purchase gigs, as it were. So sites like Freelancer, Fiverr, Upwork, they're all sites which you can register on and people will pay you to do that job. Now, you may pick up some reoccurring work, or it might be just these gigs, these short little things. And I've heard of case studies where really well-paid designers have experimented with Fiverr, because you think, well, it's only $5 for this little gig, but you are allowed to upgrade so it can become $20, $30, $50 or more. And he actually found that he brought in a really good income just by these tiny little gigs because they were so quick. So for £3 or $5, literally he could do it in a few minutes. So if you can do a few in an hour, then your income can start to add up. So that's something that we all have, little skills, like really start to get a piece of paper and write down everything that you could possibly think of that you could help someone with, that comes quite easily, whether it's admin, whether it's marketing, whether it's just, there's no limit to what you can do. So if you look on Fiverr, you'll see like people do voiceovers, funny little video sketches, even drawing someone's logo on their arm and photographing it. I think, like everything's on there, okay? So give that a think. You can also make things to sell. There are so many options here. I've seen a whole industry booming with face masks. As long as you can sew, it could be that you're making personalized gifts, personalized cards, maybe jewelry, homeware. Like, use what you already have. So if you're creative, like, what can you adapt, what can you create that people can start to buy online for Christmas and send through the post just to pick their friends and family up? And again, you don't have to be like this oil painting superhero in order to create something beautiful. It can be very simple, very, very simple, and still charge really good money, okay? It's more around the ideas and how you can create that little niche, that little position, okay? Number 3, network marketing. So MLM, network marketing, love it or hate it. I think there's a really, really strong position for this at the moment, because you can start a business and have an entire product range at your disposal without having to invest any money. So I know 2 amazing opportunities which cost like the most, well, one's free and one's a tenner, and I've seen people make a lot of money in a very short amount of time with this. So don't discount those. And I know that I've been incredibly judgmental about multi-level marketing and network marketing, and I know a lot of people are. However, if you're looking to make some money, don't let that pride, don't let that preconceived idea of what it is stand in your way of being able to make some serious money, okay? And I'll link to the opportunities that I'm a part of below so you can sort of see what I'm doing and loving. Online teaching, okay? You will know things that other people don't. Okay, whether it's personal, whether it's how to exercise, eat healthily, shop on a budget, looking after your kids, happy kids, homeschooling. Maybe you're teaching the kids and not the grown-ups. Maybe it's about business, maybe it's about the computer. There is something that you know how to do that other people don't know how to do. Self-sufficiency, making your own face creams, like whatever it is, you can create a course and sell that. Especially with Christmas, you could package it up as a really lovely little gift that you can promote to local people or people online, and create that really special package which includes maybe some materials but also some tuition, and that can be pre-recorded just like I'm doing here, or it could be live over Zoom. Think about what you have to share and how you can help someone else, and then put it into a little package and pop it out there. My top tip is don't record the training. Don't go and spend like the whole month recording stuff that you don't know there's a market for. So just say like, this course is going to be available, and get some feedback, or even sell it before you make it. And the first round of the course you do live. There's a real energy with live courses sort of on the fly. So don't feel that you have to invest loads of money, and don't feel that the tech has to be amazing before you start. It can be so simple. I'm recording this through my iPhone. Most of my content is through my iPhone. The quality for online is perfect. You don't need loads of stuff. Okay, and number 5, affiliate and dropshipping. Similar to MLM, apart from you don't have the structure around it, but you can go and source products that you sell for a commission. So you don't have to hold the stock. People can send it direct to your customers. And I'll put a link to my shop below so that you can see my dropship site, where I don't stock any of that stuff. Other people do the making, other people send it directly to my customer, and I just keep a profit. And that is something you can do too. In fact, I can even clone my site and give it to you if that's something that you're interested in. There are so many possibilities. And affiliate marketing, if you like Amazon, you can promote Amazon products. You can say, I've just seen this amazing toy, it's on offer, and here's my, here it is. And you can use your affiliate link. And whatever they go on to buy will generate you a commission. It's not massive, but it adds up. So you can have those dropship products which are like 30 to 50% commission, or you can have things like Amazon, I think eBay or Etsy. There's lots of these big companies that have affiliate schemes. They tend to be like single-digit %, but it can add up, and it's something. And what I find with my own mental health is the more practical I become, the more I'm thinking about my opportunities, the better I feel. When I'm sat at home feeling helpless and that it's out of my control and the world is a terrible place, then I start to sink. When I'm thinking, what can I do? What action can I take? I go up, okay? And the same will be the same for you. So I really urge you, okay, to do something. Put some feelers out. The way that I see it is you're spreading your seeds. You're planting your garden of the future right now. Spread those seeds. Some of them will come into little saplings, some will turn into massive trees, and someone shared with me recently, some will be taken by the birds, so they'll just disappear. But the more seeds you start to spread, the healthier your income will be, and the more secure that you will feel. All right, that's it from me. So as a thank you, if you leave a comment, if you like and subscribe to my channel, I will pick someone at random to win my abundance kit for creative entrepreneurs worth about £600, but I'm selling it for £97, and I will give someone who leaves me a lovely comment below, what's your biggest takeaway, one of those packs. Okay, so all that is left for me to say is do come and follow me over on Instagram at become_the_creator, and I would love to say hi. And please, like I say, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and do share it with your friends if you know anyone that's struggling. All right, bye for now.